Right, I've finally finished this window. I've had to wait a little while to get it finished, and I need to get this sealant on to seal around these edges, but it's been wet and drizzly. It's not been dry, and obviously this sealant I need to put it on when it's dry, and it needs to stay dry, so we've not had a chance for ages. But now that's done, and that's one more job out of the way. Hopefully, if it lasts for another year, I'm hoping to get this whole greenhouse replaced and updated next year, about March, April time. Oh, it's a bit windy. And I'm going to take out the last of these celeriac because I don't want them rotting in the ground. Right, well, I've got the last 4 celeriacs out, and they're okay. Obviously, celeriac isn't the most photogenic of vegetables. Unfortunately, the leeks have got the dreaded alium leaf miner. I've peeled it back and peeled it back and peeled it back, and it goes right down to the core. I mean, this is now getting silly. I mean, there's no point having the leek that thin. I mean, these were sacrificial leeks around the celeriac anyway, so I wasn't too bothered about them. But that's that lot out of the way, and I will sort this bed out and level it off, cover it. It'll be ready for the spring. Well, it's the last week of February, but things have started to take shape, and you know the season started when I bring in some of the early vegetables. Brought in some early radish. I'll put those in, I'll give them a couple of days to acclimatise, and then I'll put them in a pot. And I've got some leeks there. The early spring onions haven't shown. I'll try again. They've had a poor germination rate, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I am pushing the envelope with these, but also got the early celery. The stuff I've overwintered is still going. Obviously, I'm not getting big thick stalks, but it's coming to an end. But that's not surprising because it's gone through growth and it's gone through this summer. But there's still a few good leaves on it, so as a bit of flavouring or a bit in the salad, that would be fine. But the pots in the greenhouse have started to get weeds in them. But that's not a problem, I'll sort those out. But yeah, the growing season has started.